Hey guys, it's Brian and I'm back with another video. As you can see, last night we got a nice blanket of snow. So we're gonna take this out and we're gonna have some fun and of course take some pictures. Here we go, we're all set. So I guess I'll talk a little bit about why I bring this car out in the snow. Pretty frequently too, while I'm warming up. So I bring it out to have fun with it, make other people happy, and get a bunch of content. Because at the end of the day, with this car being locked away for 6 months out of the year, what's the 2 or 3 times, 4 or 5 times I take it out gonna do to it? That did not slide. That didn't slide very well. But you know, just some morning fun. That's all that is. Guys, just look at how much snow cakes up on my rear diffuser. Look at that. Well, over here it all melts, but over here you could build a whole snowman out of that. All right, let's go. I just came here to turn around real quick. No, there's only one way to turn around in weather like this. Come on, turn back, turn back, turn back. Drive a rear-wheel drive vehicle in the snow. It's just, you have to know how to drive it. I mean, obviously I'm being pretty aggressive right now with the driving style, but there's no issues driving a rear-wheel drive vehicle in the snow. I mean, obviously you're probably going to get stuck depending on how much snow you have, but if you just got a coating or whatever, you shouldn't really be worried about losing traction, because like right there I was fine with traction. I just need to correct a little bit when I come around the corner, but realistically anyone can do this. You just have to learn how to drive it. And obviously don't be stupid. Alright, we're chilling. It got knocked over. slowly got traction, but didn't get traction at all there. Oh, I'm way too close. Was not confident I was going to swing back around on that one. Really, drifting in the snow is just all about keeping your momentum, because you don't get too much, well, obviously you got no traction, but you really have to keep your momentum if you want to swing. Oh, there goes the GoPro. Swing back around. Nice. It is like picture perfect, no pun intended.